Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called NLX, Every Breath. It is a four-wall dance, easy peasy, beginner dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in the demo, watch till the end. This dance was choreographed by LUVSCINNAMON, so definitely check out her demo and also her step-by-step instructions. Are you ready? Let's go. So, stand on this side of the room facing in this direction, okay? So this dance is a four-wall dance, 32 count that moves counterclockwise. So our next wall is going to be counterclockwise, which is to our left, okay? So the first step is your weight is on the left. You're going to push on the right and move back. Right, right, left, right, push, left, left, right, left. Real easy, right? So do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see how we move back? So the next count is tap, step, tap, step. On the right and left, and we're going to move up for 4. Right, left, right, left. So just as that first count, that first step, which is push, right, push, left, left, right, left. That moves us back, okay? But this tap, step, and the walk up is going to move us up. Right, left, okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Real simple, right? Now we moved up because we started back there. Now we're gonna move back doing the pretty girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We did that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alternating right out and in, left out and in, right out and in, left out. So we're going to move back. So when you go tap out, when you cross, come back, cross back. So you can move back. Out, cross back. Out, cross back. Out, cross back. Okay, so that's how you get your movement moving back. When you go out, come back in, place the foot placement is behind. It's placed behind the leg, okay? All right, so let's put it together. So far we're only doing 3 things. We're pushing on the right, pushing on the left, tap, step, walking up for 4, and the pretty girl moving back, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. You already know. 32 counts. So that was 3 8 counts. So we have 1 more 8 count and we're there. And I said it was a 4-wall dance, moving counterclockwise. So that means this last 8 count gonna consist of 8 counts and getting us to the next wall. So we're gonna do like a wobble step. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 4 we're here, and then we're gonna walk up on the left. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. We're tapping because it's time to start over. So from here, what did I do? I did a wobble step. Right, left, left. Lift up on the left and then walk up. Left, right, left, tap out. Tap here, tap down. So instead of going right, left, to do a wobble to my left, I'm lifting my leg up. Watch this. Right. So see when I lift my leg up to go, I go right, right, and left. I turn to my left. Left, right, tap right. That's how I get to my walk. Right, turn, left, right, tap. So the count is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5 is gonna come on the left leg. From here, let's start to dance over here. Pushing, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Move it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm moving back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wobble. 1, 2, 3. Turn 4. Step. 5, 6, 7. Tap. 8. See how simple that is? That's a gospel line. It's a gospel line dance, and it has that African beat to it. It's real simple. It has a nice beat to it. And that's it. It's N, L, X, every breath. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and definitely share this video. It don't cost you anything. Give me a thumbs up. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. Let's dance together. I'll see you in the next video.